Alright, greetings everyone. Welcome to my channel, is it? We're gonna have a little discussion because we have a little video go around. Well, not a video, but a story go around in the media. So may I say about a little incident to take place with a young girl where she was attacked by 6 grown women, is it? Which sparked the attention of a lot of people. Because, you know what I mean, that is a serious thing because the girl is now battling for her life, right? So before we go into the video, I'll just introduce myself. My name is Kaylan Dowdie. So what I say? Yeah man, ISUPK Kaylan Dowdie. You know what I mean? And what I go do now, I go just break down the story, you know what I mean? Try get feedback on the occurrence, like what happened, and you know what I mean, get opinion on the matter, you see it? Alright, I'm going to play a little video. This is the girl in the hospital right now, you see me? So I'm going to play a video. Play the video, you show her the state where she in right now.
Come on, open them eyes, man. Come in, man.
You can hear the sound.
Oh, you squeeze the arm. I know you squeeze. I know you squeeze. Come on, open up your eye. Open up your eye. Open them. Open. Open those eyes. Get it. Get it. Open your eyes. Come on. Open them eyes, man. Come in, man. No, you squeeze the arm. I know you squeeze.
Chicago's own King Von was gunned down in Atlanta, Georgia, just a week after his Welcome to O Block album dropped. He was actually celebrating the project in Atlanta. He was leaving a lounge.
Alright, remember know if on the ear we go on a while ago, you see, it wasn't a long video, you see me? It was just about 44 seconds. You know what I mean? You can just throw it in the comment section, go on the ear, and you know what I mean? Because I think it was the mother who was speaking to her. She was, you know what I mean, she was in and out of consciousness, and the mother was trying to let her know that she was there, you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean, that's the state that she's in right now, you see me? Alright, so I'm gonna read to you the Observer article, you know what I mean, Slack here, the Star article. I will tell you what go on right now, you see me? It's a girl beaten to brink of death. You know what I mean? That means that them basically beat her to death. You know what I mean? She a buckle for her life right now. She in a coma. You know what I mean? It goes on to say there are only smiling faces when Kaylan Dowdie is around. 17-year-old past student of Papine High School. So she went to Papine High School, you see me? Is described as the comedian of her household. So, you know what I mean? It's a jovial little girl, you see it? Yeah man, good looking too. You know what I mean? So it was no surprise when she told her mother that she wanted a career in acting, you know what I mean? So she do some dramas and things like she, you know what I mean? She had that personality. You know what I mean? Little girl growing up, you know what I mean? Other aspirations. Unfortunately, the teen loved ones may never get a chance to hear her contagious laughter again, as she is currently on life support at the University Hospital of the West Indies. I mean, that UHWI. After she was beaten by a group of women last Saturday. So last week this happening, but it just made the rounds, isn't it? It just come to the forefront. You know what I mean? Saturday night along Barbican Road, so a Barbican this one, isn't it? Her mother, Veneisha Buckley, was in tears when the weekend star spoke with her yesterday. I am just coming from the hospital and the doctors are telling me that she is not going to make it. Hold on a second. is 1% chance them give me baby to live. Just 1%. The 1% is just because her eyes are open. You know what I mean? If you know anything about coma, you see it, your eyes may be open, but you know what I mean? It means that you're conscious or not. You see it? You can brain dead. And your eye them open same way. Enough people dead and them eye open. You see me? Yeah, man. My baby cannot breathe on her own. That means that she's on ventilator. You know what I mean? She's on a ventilator right now, which, you know what I mean, corona patients would have want a ventilator there right now. You see? It's that bad. The doctors say they can't take her off the machine. They beat my baby and gave her 1% a shot at life. The distraught mother said. Buckley said she was told that the fight started at a party that her daughter was attending on Bowsy Lane. Right? I was told that a girl also, Slakia, asked her why she was looking at her, and my daughter responded by asking her what she take to see her. I heard that the girl began to flare up and an argument ensued. Based on what I heard, the girl or my daughter, Slakia, girl or my daughter did not know each other. Girl hit her, and while the fight started, another woman came up and hit her with a Hennessy buckle. So the little girl with a Hennessy buckle, you see me? In her head, knock her out, you see it? Because you don't know Hennessy buckle tough, you know, so you get a lick out of that, you know, grung you go in, you see me? Yeah, man. And hit her in the head. All of them, about 6 of them, turned on my daughter and beat her, she said. Buckley said the woman continued to beat Kaylan. The girl name was Kaylan, even when she fell to the ground, and also stabbed her in the neck, so she get a stab to the neck too. You know what I mean? So she lose blood. You know what I mean? While this was happening, everyone at the party was just standing and enjoying the show. Alright, and this is a problem we have with each other right now, you see? People see each other in despair, needing help, and before them give some sort of assistance, them stand up with them phone and record and a watch. You know what I mean? That is not good. Because you might find yourself in a position where you might need some help and what. People are going to do the same thing. And you're going to just pass away. You know what I mean? Without help. And we need to cut that shit out, man. You see? Alright, what me there? Yeah. One of her friends was running up and down trying to get help, but she was laying on the ground for over an hour as persons were pronouncing her dead. So, them over her say she dead. You see? Buckley said she had just come home from work when she got the spine-chilling news and instantly went to the hospital where she saw Kaylan unconscious. These females are heartless, evil and wicked. They are monsters. They are very evil. For jumping my child. I can't wish anything good for them and all who stand around and watch the attack. I can't hide my feelings or conscience, she said. You know what I mean? So this is the mother now. She basically I tell you what she feel. You see? If you know say you are daughter, they get jumped, I get beaten. You know what I mean? To the point, to the brink of death. And nobody even part, because you don't know man they are the party too, you know. You know what I mean? A man stronger than female, you know, so some of the man them could at least hold off but the female them and say, yo, easy, take it easy upon her, you see? Yeah, man. I don't know that a simple thing that. So, right there you can see say, brotherhood and sisterhood not really dead because you see if we have brotherhood and sisterhood, you know what I mean? The first thing that come to your mind is, yo, we not beat the girl to the point of death. Come on far now and win. You know what I mean? Put them aside and a female them. You know what I mean? 5 man can apprehend them or 6 man apprehend them and put them one side and part it off and say, you're done. You know what I mean? Because watch you now. You want to keep on dancing in the virus thing. Yeah? And you know what I mean? It's not a good look, you know, because yo, you know, you have spread the contagion of the virus, you know, is it? Alright, so So suppose you not prayed pan a level where you want to enjoyment. This no make it better for you, because this only gonna look like say yo. Una when dance keep a those problem on top of problem, not only corona, but una go cause each other for dead. You see what me I say? So because a lack of brotherhood now, no dance now go keep. No dance can't keep you now, no. And you can't wrong the people them in authority if you say yo dance have to cut you now. You can't wrong them because look what we make happen at the dance. It come like a sign, you see it? Yeah man, cause you see it, the little girl nearly dead. And the thing is she's a stranger in the place. So alright, all this thing are gonna a female coming out in the place, right? And you don't even give her the welcome of knowing that is a stranger and treat her like a stranger and treat her with hospitality. You know gonna make people who live in the community gang her and kill her. That are not hospitality, man. That are not brotherhood and sisterhood, man. You now watch the girl who don't even know from Adams and get beaten by 6 grown women and want to know part it. You don't have to take some of the blame for this, man, is it? Yeah, man. Alright, so it goes on to say, while this was happening, everyone at the party was just standing and enjoying the show. So they might enjoy the fight. So when you got a party for enjoy on yourself, but it come like I know those music alone, you go for enjoy, you go for enjoy violence too. What kind of fuck with that? A foolishness that. You see what I say? So you don't realize that the violence cut on the enjoyment, or you consider enjoyment anything we entertaining to, you know, even somebody losing them life. No party now go keep, you know, and that deserving, you know, Bridget. That deserving, you know, make it bad for yourself because of your behavior. You see it? Alright, going on. No one came to her assistance. One of her friends was running up on her. Oh, we read that already. Buckley said she had just come home from work when she got this. Alright, we read that. Alright. Head of the St. Andrew North Police Division, Superintendent Aaron Fletcher said, investigations are currently being carried out. What I know is that there was a fight among a total of 5 females. Well, it looked like about 8 because our friend did unite according to what me hear from another story on social media. Though can't confirm that still. You know what I mean? But 8, 6 women and 2 girls. The 2 girls, them are the one we get jumped, and our friend, we are run up and down. We find help, you see? Alright. My information that this dispute start by the way of a quarrel over a male. So, you know what I mean? It always start that way, you know. Where them woman, if them just understand, say, yo, a man can't have more than one woman, you know. A man can't have more than one woman. You stop killing the one and over man. You know what I mean? The man I go still have more than one woman. So what the violence for? You just work it out, man. Just work it out, man. 1 hour about. Work it out, man. Be sisters. Because then idea, if you kill a one, then the man still have another woman. You not go stop. Because I'm right if you have more than one woman. So you have to just work with it. Like, you don't live long enough to know, say, yo, a man I go have more than one woman. Come on, man. From you go to school, you see that. The boy where you da crush upon. And the boy we have the whole of the girl in high school. So we wanna fight over, we wanna just work it out. Take turns, man. Work out the something, man. We never kill no one of them. And this look bad pan uno. And a female do this, you know. Normally when you talk about violence and them thing there, you know. You talk about male and them love talk about man wicked and man this and rare. But now you have to say the woman them just as wicked. Because if we never talk about woman come together and rare, which is, you know what I mean, propaganda, and you know what I mean, look on the evil what you do no one another too. You know no sisterhood. You need to cut this shit out and work it out and stop living on the feelings a certain way and hurt each other. You know what I mean? Because them 6 women they are going to jail, you know. You know what I mean? And I'm sure know them have children to take care of, you know. You see, some of them don't live with no man neither, you know. So them people they have to go fend for themselves. Or now have the proper, you know what I mean, parenting, because if the man not done no they at the house, see, And now mama now go there at the house. All the picnic go work out. If we live with granny or auntie and most of the time, that no work out the right way. You see it? Alright. Continue reading. They were fighting over man essentially, and that would have resulted in 2 of them being injured and taken to the hospital. One was treated and released, and the other, who is the 17-year-old, is admitted in serious condition. He said. Fletcher said no permit was granted for the party. So, you know what I mean? You don't need to do the thing the right way neither. So me I say not even permit. So right now a man want to keep a little cake here. Sell some cake or a little fish fry. No, him can't go do it, you know, because here we go on. Uno, I watch the female them a fight and I kill them one another as entertainment. No, nobody can go make a little money. Because it could have worked out a way, you know, where the dancer keep and you just maintain a social distancing, you see it? And you maintain a certain number of patrons. You're not too crowded up. No, nothing like that can go on. Everybody have to go to stay them yard broke and not no money. You see it? I wouldn't make it bad for yourself. In this regard, because we don't have no brotherhood and no sisterhood. You see it? Alright. Yeah man, Kayla Mitchell say me feel it for her. Yeah man, you have to feel it for her man, cause a young little girl man, you know what I mean? She look forward to her future, you know, you see? That she do, you know, she look forward to her future and she want become, what them say she want become again?